What is your win? My mentor told me I have to be intentional every week to recognize my wins. Otherwise, it will just pass me by and I would not count it as a win. That's how I get better. That's how I get how I can improve myself is to recognize my wins, because oh boy, those wins, I work hard for it. I struggle for it. And now because I'm winning, I'm recognizing it. Now, my mentor told me that I have to post it every week. And what I would like to share with you, my win for this week is I was doing my 2021 tax return. I was reviewing the work of my accountant. And to give you context and contrast, the win was about the mindset, the understanding of what it is to invest in an apartment versus what it is to invest in a software. So my husband and I invested our money, $15,000, 7 years ago in a software company. It is still present, it is still alive up to today. So we get the K1 partnership because we are investors of that software. Now, when I reviewed the tax return of that particular K1 for this software, I got a 25 minus 25 tax loss that I can write off. Now, because we also invested our money into apartments, whether it's our own deal or a deal with other apartment syndicators, or whether it's our own deal together with the other apartment syndicators with my family and friends, this particular aha moment, this particular win was with a apartment syndicator, a friend of mine who has a deal. Now, because I know them, I was able to go in at $25,000 to invest in their deal. And this was a 262 apartment units. Now, because I invested our money, that $25,000 into this deal, which is actually the salary of my kids, George and Jaden, and that's why I was able to put in their minimum, their money, their hard-earned money into this deal. So what I realized is that when I reviewed the K1 partnership of this deal, the 262 apartment units, do you know what I saw? You wouldn't believe it. Minus 16,000 in tax depreciation. It's not that I lost the money. It's not that, the apartment has lost money. The apartment is there earning income every single day without me actively working. Now, I got that minus 16,000, that depreciation, because I'm a passive investor. What that means, whatever the general partners get, I do get to. And because I'm very active with real estate, that tax deduction, I can tax write it off right now. So what is your win today? And that is my win, because I'd like to share with you that context and contrast, that $15,000 that we invested 17 years ago and only gave us minus 25 of tax deduction versus investing that 25,000 last year in a 262 apartment units, and we got a net minus 16,000, over 16,000 of tax depreciation that I can deduct from our income. So that is a win, because that is more money into our pocket. So I'd like to share that win with you guys, because I want you to win as well, and I want you to share your win. I will be doing, speaking of wins and speaking of more knowledge that you can apply either to your own apartment or with somebody else that is doing apartment deals, or whether with us, I'll be doing a live webinar this October 7th at 1 p.m. US Eastern Time. So I'll be sharing a lot of things that I've learned over the years. That took me ages to learn. That took me a lot of books, a lot of mentors to learn. So come join me in that 90-minute live webinar. And better yet, be a part of my VIP experience where I can coach you. I can answer your questions tailored to your needs. Whether you want to start your own apartment, or whether you want to grow and scale your apartment, or whether you want to invest your money and where you're a passive investor. So come join me in my VIP experience. If you're a physician, let us go! Because you know why? Wealth can't wait. My name is Ria. I'm a family medicine physician and a geriatric physician, and I wrote the book Apartment Prescription. So what do I say? Let us go! Wealth can't wait. Let's share our wins so others can win too. Let's go!